Hey, pretty people. I'm just gonna make sure. I'm gonna go turn head down a little bit so you guys can hear me. So, I'm introducing my new channel. Yeah. I want to give a shout out to Chefbugs. Chefbugs' new channel. It's a good channel. She does the Bean Boozled challenge on it, so I saw that. It's pretty funny, but they kind of fail. Well, this isn't really a new channel. You might have seen my my fancy parody before. Yeah, it's pretty retarded. I mean, it's not that stupid, but it is kind of, yeah, it can be stupid. So, you right now are listening to Now 51, it's pretty much available at any store. Well, I got it at Walmart, so I don't really know if it's available at every store, but I know that it is available at most stores. So I can do tours and stuff. I mean, you guys could request to do a tour for my room, but what you're looking at is pretty much the whole tour. My bed's right here, then my other dresser, then my music machine. Yes, and I do collect American Girl dolls, so I can do a tour of that. I could do a shelf tour, which I think I'm gonna do that in my next video. Like, cause it's pretty cool. It's Coral. My friend brought me that Coral. Alright, so, I was just gonna let you know about, I could do tours, I can do anything you guys really request me to do. I can make, like, really stupid videos, too. Pretty good at that. I mean, everybody who pretty much knows me that I can be really crazy. Yeah. So, this is only my first video. But, like, my other videos are probably going to be better. Because these videos, like this first one's probably going to be, like, the stupidest one out of all mine. So, yeah. They'll get better eventually. I'm sorry if I'm burning your eyes now, but peace. Stay fresh.